them say sick, I will say sack. Cause when you sick, you get better. When you sack, you never recover. So when I say that, Allah, Allah.
Scores of Indian visitors enjoying the sights and sounds of downtown Kingston on a Sunday afternoon. The issue is, they should not be here, nor should they be moving around this freely unsupervised.
So all government out here surprised like they don't know what I want. Them know exactly what I want.
So where the yapping about? Alright, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up. But mind your chat too much.
Alright, yes, so welcome again, viewers and subscribers. Morning, evening, night, whenever check in as usual. Yeah, man, say tune into RyanmediaTv. It's the first to tune into this channel. Please click the subscribe link, click the bell to be notified. So another one of viewers, and see what I go on. In Jamaica recently, we see where them find one leap of fake curry. I God alone can tell you, say, yo, how long this a go on for. And in recent times, a chartered flight from, them say, yo, the plane itself come from Germany. You see me, yeah, man, with one bag of Indian, about 200 odd Indian touching at the country, and them allow them to touch the shores and walk up and down freely in a Jamaica. Yeah, suppose none of them Indians that did have some kind of disease where John know it could have spread in the country and you know what, but God forbid still. But we are going to talk about look at them things still, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, I'm kick it off with Energy Get There. Yeah, man, them mad vibe to that one I call Zip It Up from Virgin. Yeah, man, so we'll take you in peace more this and go in and one.
Must it me clean every time I step out. Bad mind just run up them out. You know see how we the girl them chatting about.
So I say I need to culture represent for RyanmediaTV. You see me I say, you don't watch no other TV. You see me I say, I want to you. You see me I say when I watch Ryan TV, you see me. You see me I say when I watch other TV, maybe you don't see me. You see me I say, when I box me no kick down boy, the ego me use and pick down boy. When I chase me no long tongue boy, 40 can back people long down. Mother road. Yo, we're looking on yourself here.
I am back. I say no for now make nice but I can't believe say Chinese man make curry. Fake curry. Brother, the Chinese man make bumbo clock, fake Heineken, fake rum, fake Magnum, fake Browning. Everything where fake Chinese make it. So how comes the government to go and like say them surprise? Cigarette, every single thing you can fucking think of. So all government out here surprised like they don't know what I want. Them know exactly what I want. Don't a custom know what I want. Only if you remember some of them people that don't like black people. And any way if you make money, I could have poison you, I could have killed you, them are gonna make money. Them not really business about you. You feel like Mr. Chin business about you? A man when you have roach and rat and 40 leg and scorpion, every man have fever, worm, snake. You don't think nobody's about the business you know? Eh? You stop behave like you surprise so Mr. Chin a pussy wall. Mr. Chin no business about nothing. Mr. Chin you gonna know say make money and him rich. Me blame no a custom. Me blame with government. Cause enough of them know what come in our island. But because big money run. The whole of them fi go suck them mama on if you pat up now barrel and dash them away and burn them. From Andrew go right down to blood clot Chinese them. The Chinese them can't go a certain country go do them fuckery. But then can come here and do all manner of evil and get away with it. If a me I know as a black man do that right now, me they run a cell block and go and get beaten. If it's a black man make a fake curry right now, me have to sell all my house and my car every blood clot thing. Prison mode that day. You hear? Nothing now come out of this, so you can't stand it.
With the rifle, lift it up, lift it up. See a boy we act so much, motor move like a runner man foot.
Alright, so viewers, so what me say? Some curry did get fine in a wholesale in Manchester, and trust me, sorry for all them people down in Manchester. You see me? Yeah man, and we don't know if this courier did have an effect on them and them don't know, because more while and see certain thing are reaching, you know. And guess what going, you know where it come from. But pity them know say yo, other fake courier cause all of the allergy or whatever them a got you are. You see me? Yeah man. And big woman thing, Me feel like the China them to call them dangerous them way they making fake things, you know. You see me? Counterfeit things. Cause I not just curry alone. In our day, enough things, enough local product is like it kind of water down certain way. Or yo, I what day I go buy a Lasco downtown. And me I tell you say yo, the Lasco tastes different from the original Lasco. The Lasco, it tastes like milk powder. Yeah, I saw the Lasco taste. And me I feel say, no man, this and the Lasco come like the man and make some fake Lasco, you know. Yeah man, and them need to check out that too. A whole heap of fake things right now I make. You see me? And I'm glad how them find a fake courier and get it off of the market. And if more they trust me, would I like them dig out the rest, cause me feel like more good all debo because we know how it's set out here. More while when a supplier have something, him supply it to other persons and you don't know worse if the price right and certain way with them say yo, them a make a look of profit. Them a go want support that. But tell me when you think about this situation and tell me when you think about the China them making fake things. When you think of the China them, or the China them.
Try follow me with on your bank book. Aye, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up.
Alright, so the talk of the town right now, viewers. So there was a flight that landed in Jamaica Friday. Yeah, with about 250 Indians that was allowed in the country. Yeah, we don't know if them people have no disease or we don't know what kind of sign make them reach here. Them even dip on the radar, them nah no flight where we know say you arrive at Jamaica or nothing. Them just fly past how much country and come stop at Jamaica. Maybe because Jamaica is a free for all or true it's out of many one people. Anybody can just come here and do anything them please. I don't know, I just have to stay still. But here say they departed the country right now. But this is the talk of the town because they were allowed access in the country and they were allowed to book a 4-star hotel in downtown Kingston, the Rock Hotel. And a lot of persons are really wondering what's going on because even you have some people that say, yo, if them going to any other country, them can't pass immigration. You see me? And where Jamaican governments, them really I say, they are saying that they don't have any detaining department at the airport and the remand centers in Jamaica can't hold so much people. So them did have to make them book and stay in a 4-star hotel. But I was saying, because even in the report, one of the person was under investigation by America or so. But sharing the thoughts and comment on this situation. When you think about this, suppose right now we hear saying the disease that spread, we can know where it come from. Or we hear say anything out of the ordinary happening right now, worse in the downtown area there. So I don't know what to say still, but John know. We are look out our eye right now to see if anything are going to pop up. But tell me one thing, share the thoughts as me say, and please so like this video. Follow me on the IG as well, RyanmediaTV, and big up on yourself. And you can take in this video as well on my Instagram page. Yeah man, I have the full video with the report itself, or you can check in TBJ News on the YouTube. So big up on yourself still, alright, if I'm going to leave it. Stay safe.
All them there, we all them there did there. What this your fuck minds them did there.
One talk. In our shells, we are talking. And we are representing for the baddest flag.